Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will not get anywhere by ignoring basics. Confirm your account contact info and enable two-factor authentication right now. Once done, scan your rewards activity to spot any flagged patterns like bulk searches or shared credentials. Make sure to disable any browser extensions or automation scripts that perform repetitive searches. These are common triggers. If you already used a VPN or shared accounts, pause those actions and document what happened so you can explain it to support if needed. Now you must perform a careful audit. Review searches, quiz completions, and reward redemptions from the last 30 to 90 days because repeated automated or bulk behavior draws attention. Once identified, sign out all devices and revoke sessions you don't recognize and rotate your password to a strong, unique one. Make sure third-party apps or scripts are disconnected. Revoke OAuth tokens where present. These steps reduce further risk and create a clear remediation trail you can use when contacting support. Finish by contacting Microsoft support proactively. Explain what happened, list dates and specific actions you stopped, and state the remediation steps you took. If an account is suspended despite your fixes, file an appeal calmly and attach screenshots or logs showing you disabled automation and changed credentials. If things go wrong, request a case number, escalate politely, and avoid repeating suspect behaviors. While waiting, continued violations will worsen outcomes. Keeping records speeds resolution and demonstrates good faith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.